Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This your girl Tina Teresa, and I want to give y'all a quick little tutorial on how to grow your subscriber account. Yes, your girl is at work. She got multiple streams of income. I work, I do party planning, and I love doing YouTube, but I have to figure out myself. I bought ebooks. I did one-on-one coaching with some I did one-on-one coaching with Just Jazzy. She was wonderful. She listened. Everything was great with that, and she told me basically to create short form content. So even though here and there I still create long form just because I like doing it, but even though nobody's watching, still post anyway. So basically she told me to create short form content, and then you can also do something else. And I followed her advice. I went on to Instagram, and I'm gonna show y'all all the way through how to do it. I went to Instagram. I found some trending cooking videos because I love cooking and I love food. So I just picked some content from Instagram, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and it's gonna grow your subscriber account. Within the last couple of days, I have gained 14 subscribers, even though it may not seem much, but every day the subscriber count adds up by doing this one quick and easy method, and I'm about to show y'all right now. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. So you go download Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, get it. So I find a quick and easy recipe that I like. I go down to the bottom and push the share button, and it's gonna have a download button on there. You download the video, and then you go right over to YouTube, and on YouTube you go add more videos like I'm showing you right now. To go to video that I selected because I'm into food, so I did a food video. You don't have to blur out the person's name or anything because that's why they have the download button on there. You can use it. So this is the great part about it. It don't even matter about the video. It matters about the trending sound that you use that's going to attract people to your video. That's all you got to do is find a song or something that you like that has over 600K views or likes, or I forgot what it's called, but over 600K. Sometimes a little lesser ones work also, but I always use the higher ones. That brings me more people to my video short. So it's not a video, it's going to be, you're going to be doing it as a short. So as you might know, because I'm showing you on here and it says short. But anyway, I picked the Squid Game because it's a little bit annoying. Let me tell you, it's a little bit annoying, but it's going to attract a lot of subscribers. And if you repeat this cycle over and over again, you can do it as many times as you want. You can post it like 2 or 3 times a day. I'm telling you, I got 14 subscribers within a couple of days. I know it may seem not a lot, but it's a lot to small YouTubers, and we're trying to help each other out. So those are my quick, easy tips to grow your subscriber count on YouTube. So I'm taking you all the way through. Make sure you put a catchy title. Here I put quick and easy, quick and simple appetizers. And okay, yes, I did a quick and simple title, and don't forget to put your hashtags. The most common hashtags that I use is shorts, YouTube shorts, and then I might put like appetizer, what the video is about, or food or foodie. And yes, so these kind of videos, these kind of shorts will attract people to your channel, and they may even like to stay there. They may like to watch some of your other videos, but they're sure to become a subscriber, most of them. But if you guys like these type of videos, please leave me a like and a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure y'all follow all the steps to get more subscribers to your channel. Guess what, guys? We are going to be bigger than the rest.